Aloha, my name is David Roberts. I was inspired to volunteer here through my dad. So my dad was a corpsman and trained to be a nurse. 51 to 52 is when he was a corpsman. But growing up, he always talked about his service on the Missouri and how it affected his life for the better. It steered him in a particular direction. His service was something that he treasured and talked about quite a bit. And when I found out that this battleship was here at Pearl Harbor and that people could actually volunteer and help, and I was absolutely. Every story that I have, I tell my dad, of course. He's still around. He's 96. He loves hearing about what I'm doing and the people that I meet, and the fact that he's still remembered and they appreciate his service. It's quite awesome, actually. 1952 Armed Forces Day. His parents and sister were able to come down from upstate New York and visit the battleship in New York City. And they have a picture that he still has, a small little. It's his mom and dad and his sister and himself in front of the 16-inch guns. And so when I would visit, and of course to do the tours are awesome, I would take a picture or call him from that spot just to say, hey, look where I'm at. Yeah. So my dad was sent to Bethesda Naval Hospital. One of his patients was I think he was in the Army, but he had a motorcycle accident here on Oahu and was sent back to Bethesda in Washington, D.C. So he was part of my dad's regular routine. And he met the family and they became very close. And the family was from Amelia Island, Florida. The patient was a paraplegic now because of his injuries. So he was, I think, from the waist down, right? So my dad was one of his nurses and helped out. The family just loved the interaction with my dad. And they actually asked him to come down to Amelia to help their son adapt to being a paraplegic now. And he did. My dad did. My dad ended up loving Amelia and Fernandina Beach so much that he stayed. He was a businessman. He was a JC's member. He was a city commissioner. He was the mayor. He's done many things. He was executive director of the Chamber of Commerce for decades. So he's had a massive amount of service, giving back. And that's what I like to do. I think my father's legacy here on the Missouri is something that I grew up learning about as a kid. You're fascinated by the talk of what he did and where he went. He went to Europe and went to Cuba. As I learned more as an adult about what it meant to him and the whole serving your country and that aspect, it just made me want to give back more. So every time I come here, it's trying to give back just a little bit and trying to honor my dad and his legacy at the Missouri. I volunteer with the Teak Team. My first time volunteering here was in 2021. I had visited multiple times over the years before that, but had no idea that y'all took volunteers. This is awesome. I got to do this. I was using a drill press and, pressing out the little circular pieces of the teak. As a reward for my helping out with the teak team, they actually gave me a piece of teak. I showed it to my brother and we had a little talk and we came up with an idea of creating a plaque for my dad. My brother came up with a little plaque with the words and my dad's service time. And we gave that to my dad. I've done a variety of things. My favorite thing so far is using a sledgehammer to pound out the Nelson nuts that are still in the steel deck after the old teak is removed before they can put on the new teak. And you get to see this beautiful deck come back to life. So it's very cool. If you're thinking about volunteering here, absolutely do it. Don't give it a second thought. It's a great way to give back to the service. It's a great way to help out an awesome organization. This is such a cool thing to be able to, you got a battleship right here. You can walk around. It's crazy awesome. To me, it's special because I have the connection with my father, but you know, you do not need that. The idea of giving back should be enough. And this is such a great organization. So um, I'm a big fan, and I would highly recommend everybody volunteer and help out.